Hello guys, so in this video I will show you how we can share macros with users. So this is a dummy user that I have created, and I will share these three macros that we have created till now with this dummy user. So the process of sharing the macros in Salesforce is similar to what we have in quick text. The process is similar. So first we need to enable the settings to share macros. To do that we need to type here macro in quick find box. So we will click here on macro settings, and then we need to check this checkbox, share and organize macros in folders. So this is the requirement. Then we will click on the save button. So I have already done that, and then we need to uh, this is optional. You can add this macro here by editing this and add more items. Then you can search for macro and add this macro as a navigation item, so that you can easily navigate to macros. Then we need to first create a folder. So I will create a folder. I will name it as share macro with support users. You can name anything. Now let's save it, and our folder is now created. Now I need to put these macros inside that folder before sharing them. So we will click here and we will click on this information, and we do not see any folder option here. Also we do not have any option to add this macro inside that folder. So in order to add this macro inside the folder, we need to enable one field. We need to add one field on this layout, and the field name is folders. So in order to do that, we need to go here in the object manager and search for macro object. So here is our macro object. We will click here, and then we need to click on this page layout. Now we need to edit this page layout. Now we see this folder field here. Now we need to drag and drop this folder field here. Now we will save it. Now we will go back and do an empty cache and hard reload to see our changes. Now the folder field is visible here. Now we will edit this folder field and select a folder. Now this is our folder that we have created till just now. So we will select this folder and save. Similarly we will do this thing with all other two macros. We'll select the folder, save it, and for the last one we will do the similar thing. Select a folder, select this folder, select folder, save. Now this macro is added to this folder. Now in order to share this folder to this dummy user, so this is a user, I want to share these macros with him. So we will go in all folders here, and then we will click on this arrow icon and then click on this share button. Now I am sharing with this dummy user, so I will select users, and we have other options also. And for the name, so we have here dummy user, and the access is view access, so he can use the macros. and then we will click on the share button and done. Now let's log in with dummy user. We will click on this login button, and if you do not have this login button, you can search for login access policies on your setup. So now we have logged in with dummy user. Now we will click here to check if we have these macros. Now we see these 3 macros. So this is it for this video, and we will meet in next video. Until then, bye bye.